So this is what my stomach looked like a few months ago on the left, and on the right is what my stomach looked like right now, um, to begin this 15-day intense.
Okay, you guys. So, um, my stomach, because I've lost a lot of inches already, some of the fat. So I have like, I need to tighten up the stomach. So anyway, I found this Firm and Tighten collagen body cream. I'm not sure, if it works or not. I found this at Ross, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna try to put it on my stomach and see if maybe it helps tighten up. But I'm just showing you my entire stomach. Okay, it's just, I have the top layer of fat there. And then, of course, this bottom part. So, the reason why my stomach got like this is because I had fibroid. I was out to here. Like, I looked like I was 9 months pregnant, you guys. So, anyway, I'm going to put some of this on my stomach and see if it helps. I'm gonna do this before I work out. See if it helps to tighten up the area. Awesome. All right, so now I am going to add this to my stomach to help me sweat when I work out. And I'm gonna run before I do the workout. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put on a top over it before I go out. Okay, you guys, so I am trying to make me some water. And I'm also going to be drinking water throughout the day. So this is for later. I want that to boil. So I'm just slicing up my lemon. This helps me drink more water throughout the day. And this jar, this bottle is a half a gallon, so I would drink this twice and I will have all my water for the day. Actually have the time and everything, so you can keep track, which is awesome. All right, so drop my lemon in there. That's gonna be what I'll drink throughout the day. And for right now, I'm gonna drink this one hot. Just drop a few slices. This, I'm just gonna pour regular water in there and let that sit, so I drink that throughout the day. Oh God, you guys. Okay. Whew. All right. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, you guys. Just finished the workout, and I'm tired. So I'm just gonna take a look at my abs and see if I sweat under there, because I'm sweating everywhere else. So I did put on additional layers. So give me maximum. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh man, look at that. Sweaty. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I did sweat. See that? But this is completely wet, as you can see. So, oh yeah. So, oh my. This is after one workout, you guys. Woo! All right, so we're just gonna continue on. We're gonna eat, then take a shower, and we're gonna drink some water too. Okay guys, so yeah, that's lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. All right, so this is my dinner, and it will be the last meal of the day. All right, you guys, see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.